Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to try to tackle this heap of frizz I like to call my hair. And I'm going to use Velcro rollers and a blow dryer and also a round brush to do so. So I've been using Velcro rollers, I swear, since the 1990s when I was in my 20s. Oops, I guess I kind of aged myself, but they are truly, I couldn't live without them. So I like to start with the middle, and I'll just go down and I'll grab a section. I just like to get this one done and get it out of my face. So what you'll need is, again, a round brush. And the Velcro rollers you could find on Amazon or nearly anywhere. And I just blow dry it. I try to go from the roots and do my hair like that. Okay, so now that it's smoothened out a bit, I'll take one of my rollers, and I like to roll mine underneath. So I've been doing a lot of DIY beauty at home, since this whole situation happened, and I actually did my own blonde ends here. They're a little bit dry, but you know what? I can live with it. So now I'm going to go up and do the top of my head, the crown. I'm just brushing it out to the ends. Okay, now again I'm going to take my blow dryer, blow dry, and roll my brush down at the same time. Oops, got some ends there. And this I'm just going to brush and smooth it out. And again, I'm not obviously a professional hairdresser, as you can tell, but this is what I do from home, and it works for me. So it's not going to be perfect. And then I just get a bobby pin just to secure the top ones. Just don't want them flopping around when I go ahead and do the rest of my hair. So that's the top. So I'm just going to continue and do the top. Oh, by the way, I use bigger ones for the top because I want some volume, and then I just use like regular size ones for the sides. So I'm just going to continue with another big one to go to the top. Okay, so now I've finished the front and the top, and I'm going to grab some and do the sides. So again, I'm just going to take it, brush it out a little bit till it's smooth. Once I catch it on my roller brush, I'll take my blow dryer. Just heat it up a bit like that. I take my roller, and the sides I like to roll downwards or towards the back, so everything is going to go under. That way I can get some nice volume that I'm looking for. Alright, I'll just continue. Alright, so this is the last one. Okay, and that didn't take too long at all, really. I feel like Medusa, the ancient Greek monster that had snakes in her hair. Don't worry, I'm not going to turn you into statues. So now I like to let it sit just for a few minutes because I've heated my hair up. Now I want it to cool down to hopefully lock in the curls and the bounce. And in the meantime, I want to just show you my other DIY project that I love. These are my nails, look! They have this gorgeous pink color and this very dazzling glitter. So I'm definitely a glitter girl, And I did these nails at home by myself. It's so much fun. I use the Color Street nail strips, and I wanted to show you. These are them. Literally, you just apply them onto your nails, and then boom, you're done. It's instant dry. There's no drying time, and you're ready to go. So that's another one of my one of my go-tos. All right, so now I just let it sit. Okay, I think I can go ahead and start taking some down. All right, here we go. So I just unravel it. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a nice, smooth, bouncy curl. So I'm really happy with that one. Now what I can go ahead and do, I also have a curling iron. Sometimes, I think I'll go ahead and do it. Sometimes I like to go ahead and just give it an extra curl. Just like that. Just a quick set. And boom, there we go. And let's take a look at another one. So run it down and just release it smoothly. Oh, that one probably doesn't even need a curl. Okay, so I'll just continue and take the rest out. Okay, so now I'm removing the ones from the top, and these I love because I love to see the volume and the bounce. Like that. And then my last one. Here we go. So there you have it. There it is. So my hair feels so silky and smooth now, not like the frizz that I started off with. So I can either keep my hair parted to one side, or I can somehow find the middle and do like the center part if I want to. So the options are endless here. I can even put my hair up in a cute little pony with some nice curled pony ends. But I think I'll keep my hair down today. Just like so. Alrighty. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial using Velcro rollers. Have a great day.